Okay. All right. Welcome to you this morning. I'm Sandy Go with Memorable Connections, and we're excited to announce the headshot party that we are hosting on Saturday, September 9th. But it's more than that. We are providing a package. So there is a photo shoot preparation and coaching with some experts, including Tobey here, and also we are including all these tips and tools for you to have the best look and be most prepared for your photo shoot. And not only that, but knowing how to use it for your personal branding. So I'm pleased to introduce you to Tobey, and let me share some great information on her. She is a certified professional image consultant, a personal brand and color expert for women entrepreneurs, and a beauty industry leader and multiple business owner for 29 years. She helps women to step into her next levels by taking them on a journey to develop their soul style, a style and brand that is aligned with their true, authentic beauty so that they can show up and shine in their life and business with confidence, whether that's on the stage, screen, or out on the scene. So take it away, Tobey.
Hi, how are you, Sandy? Thank you so much for having me. I'm super excited for this headshot party. This is my jam. This is what I love to do. I love working with entrepreneurs. I'm a multiple business owner and been doing business for a long time and in the beauty industry. And I know firsthand, I see firsthand, when a woman looks good, she feels good. And when she feels good, she looks good. So it's really taking the inner beauty and bringing it through and uniting it with your outer beauty. So those are the choices that you make to get ready to, whether you're going on stages and speaking, or you're going on an interview, or you're doing video like this, like you're doing videos and doing interviews like this, or events, or you're gonna take some pictures and do some headshots like we're talking about, and even just going to events, like when you're going out to events. So what we're doing, or what you're hosting and you're inviting me to be a part of, which I'm so honored that you did, thank you, is an actual event. It's an in-person event that we're going to do some headshots. So we're going to do some branding and getting your headshots done. So we are going to work on that outer beauty and connect it with your inner energy and your essence, so you really have a great photo at the end of the day. But it's an event format. So it's a group event. So they'll be doing some networking. I'll be doing some training, and while I'm helping you get ready for the event. So it's really fun. It's really unique. It's super fun. And you guys are just going to absolutely love it. It's going to be a blast.
Yeah, it's all about becoming memorable and learning how to be memorable, which means sharing yourself, and you want to show the best self. And so, Tobey, I know that you had some great tips. I mean, like things that we take for granted, but like for hair, for colors, what kind of suggestions would you have so they can start shopping if they want to?
Yeah. So, we're going to go in depth about that in the coaching call that comes with your package. So if you want all the tips and tricks and all the different things that you can do and how you're going to show up, then definitely join us on that day. And Sandy will have all the
number one is register in group.
Yeah, but what we'll be starting off with is like really, I'm a certified image consultant. So it's really all about knowing your right colors to wear and bringing the right styles forth. So looking at how you're going to use your photos, what you're going to use them for, and we can talk about that and all the different ways you can use them. But what I do and what would be different than what I'm going to talk about, the importance of the colors and help you make some choices based on what you already have. But if you want a more in-depth color analysis, and really I take you through a draping process, then that's a whole different thing, and we can talk about that as well. And you will walk away with, let me get it.
Okay.
It's right here. It's right here.
Yes.
You would walk away with a color swatch ring. So
Fun.
These, and depending on what your season is, this
gosh.
is not the Color Me Beautiful of the 80s. It's 16 seasons, not 4. So it's really getting super specific to your skin tones, to what looks the best on you. And it is in alignment also with your personality, with your eye color, with the hair color that you had when you were like 7 or 8, of course we take in consideration what you got going on now, but we also determine what you got going on now is right for you or not.
Right.
So there's a lot to it. So, we talk about color and making sure you're wearing the right colors and looking at what you want to use this for and looking at your branding and tying it all in, as well as the styles and the cuts of what you want to wear. So we go into that and we kind of workshop it, and plus what you bring to the actual event. I'll be there to make sure that everything is kind of going together really well. And that goes into the jewelry. So I have a whole line of jewelry that I'll bring, and I'll give you shop links and stuff. So if there's something that I don't really have, you can have that ready to go, or you bring your own and we all work it together. So it's really fun. So styling on that way. And then we go into your hair and makeup. Now we don't have a hair and makeup team, but in that coaching call, there'll be some guidance on what you should do with your hair, what are some great options for you, and as well as some makeup tricks and tips. And we'll be there that day to do a little final touch-ups just to make sure everything's right, but you want to come with your makeup on. So, and we'll talk about different makeup styles and all that. And the last but not least, as we touched on, is the inner beauty part of it. It's really aligning your inner beauty with your outer beauty. I feel like they go hand in hand. I mean, you can be all like zen and like ready to go, but if you show up and you have the wrong colors on, or your hair's not right, or the makeup isn't bright enough so we can see it on camera, or it's too much,
good point.
or
That's
it's too much and it's not in alignment with you or your brand, or there's none at all, so it's really uniting both. And then so it's bringing that inner beauty out. So we're going to do some fun energy exercises just to get that mojo going, and do some fun things, some breathing exercises, some dance, some power poses, and really bring that, that boss babe.
Awesome.
Yeah. And I said it. I said boss babe, however you want to call yourself, boss woman, whatever, but just to kind of relax your nerves and really get that energy flowing so that you feel really great. And the photographer will also tap into that, I'm sure.
That's awesome. Well, thank you, Tobey. And I just want to emphasize to you ladies that haven't registered, this is an incredible team that we've been building to help you to look your best for your photo shoot. A lot of times we know that we need a headshot. There's professionals that they just know it. And then you look for them. Let's say they're trying to get a speaking gig, or they want to submit a proposal or something. People are looking on their Facebook or their LinkedIn and their website. And if they don't see a good representation of your professional photo, you may have lost the chance, because people do go for first impressions. So you want to make that the best. And you've got a team that really cares about you and wants to bring the best of you out, your personality. You've got a unique personality, and we want to help bring that to the forefront. Also, your professional business branding. You've got certain colors. If not, you need to choose them. And then we'll incorporate that into your professional look. We've got our professional photographer, Madeline Bite, that's going to, she'll be able to do also the photos for your websites, but let her know ahead of time and she'll be able to do that technique for you. But anyway, just want you to, number one is register. There are limited seats and you don't want to miss out on this, this first incredible event. And it's live. I think that's just so awesome. We missed being together and really having the energy. We'll have refreshments, networking time, collaboration time, but most important, we want you to shine. So, so join us. The photo shoot itself is Saturday, September 9th from 2 to 4, and it might go longer. But then also, we're going to have some pre-show coaching, such as, even this quick little clip we have here is just to share and help prepare you. So look in your inbox and your email. As soon as you register, you'll get all that. So
Yes.
thanks again for joining us.
Looking forward to seeing you guys on the coaching call. So it's going to be really great to get you ready for the actual day of event.
Yes, awesome. Thank you.
Bye.
And bye.